Hi kids, let's talk about the benefits of sleep. This story is called Why is Sleep Important? Getting enough sleep is crucial for keeping our bodies and brains healthy. During sleep, our brains take a break and rest, preparing us for the next day. Similar to how our bodies need rest after a day of physical activity, our brains also require rest. Sleep is not only about resting our brains, but it also helps us learn and remember things better. While we sleep, our brains organize and sort all the things we learned during the day. This helps us remember them and be ready to learn more the next day. Sleep is also crucial for our bodies to recover. During sleep, our bodies repair and restore themselves, giving us the energy we need for the next day. So it's really important to make sure we get enough sleep every night. That means going to bed at a reasonable time and getting the recommended amount of sleep for our age. When we sleep enough, we feel better, learn better, and keep our bodies and brains healthy. Okay kids, now it's your turn. Make sure you read the story out loud to an adult. See you in the next video.